Are you tired of dealing with an outdated thermostat that can't keep up with your smart home needs? It's time to level up with the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat. Imagine controlling the climate of your home with your voice, or even letting your thermostat judge by your habits whether or not to have the air conditioner or heat running when you're not home. That's the convenience and energy savings that a smart thermostat offers. This is the power of the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat, and I'll show you why it's worth the switch. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Let's dive in. Traditional thermostats are, well, old news. They're limited in their functionality and can waste a lot of energy. Think about it. With an old thermostat, you have to physically get up, turn the dial, and adjust it. And basically, it's just an on-off switch at that point. And if you're like me, you've got better things to do than babysit the climate of your home. And let's be honest, who hasn't forgotten to turn the AC off or turn the heat off when you go away for vacation or go out for the day? And old thermostats, they lack technology, they lack the smartness and intelligence of planning and scheduling your routine. And old thermostats are not very intuitive. You can't get reports or feedback on your energy consumption. You can't identify areas where adjustments can help you save energy and money. And with an old thermostat, heaven forbid if you ever need to troubleshoot an issue. Good luck deciphering the cryptic error codes. Amazon thermostats, on the other hand, are a completely different story. With smart scheduling, you can program changes in your climate from anywhere. And with remote access, you can adjust the temperature from the living room, from the couch, or from anywhere in the world. The possibilities are endless. One of the coolest features of the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat is its integration with other smart devices. So now you can schedule an entire program, or scene as Amazon calls them, so that just before you get home, the lights click on, the thermostat clicks to the desired temperature, and the music is playing your favorite song for when you walk in the door. And with the Amazon app, I'm not going to say her name because she's going to trigger, and with the Echo Show or Echo Home, you can control the thermostat with your voice. Alexa, set thermostat to 70 degrees.
Thermostat is set to 70.
It's just that easy. No more getting up to adjust the thermostat in the middle of the night. Alexa, set downstairs thermostat to 69 degrees.
Thermostat is set to 69.
It's jacket weather. Who runs their thermostat at 69 degrees? I do with her and the Amazon Home Thermostat. And with the app on my phone, oh no, I forgot to change the thermostat while we're on our way to the cruise ship. I can remotely log in and turn the thermostat to away mode. Did I mention affordability? I picked this one up for less than $60 on sale. And it was super easy to install. I swapped out my old thermostat and installed this one in just about 20 minutes. I did it myself, DIY. And it's so smart and intuitive, it picks up on your schedule. If you share your schedule within the app, it will adjust your thermostat without you ever knowing it. This is called Amazon Hunch Mode. It guesses when you're going to be away and drops your thermostat to 62 degrees or whatever desired away temperature you want it to be. And based on that schedule, it guesses when you're going to be home again and adjusts your thermostat accordingly. I want to share a case study that really drives the point home of the benefits of upgrading to the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat. You see, there's a family of 4 in Southern California that saw an immediate drop in their energy bill of 23% in just a few months. But it wasn't only about the energy savings they experienced. They also experienced immediate convenience and comfort by being able to adjust the thermostat from the app on their phone. They could control the thermostat from their phone, and they also got reports on their energy savings. And another family in Texas experienced similar cost savings. But it wasn't only about the energy savings for them, it was also about the convenience of integration with the rest of the system, so they could control the temperature anywhere in the house from their Echo Show with their voice. They said it was like having a personal assistant, and it made their daily routine so much easier. And they experienced a savings of up to 17% right off the bat. You ever get real hot or real cold while sleeping? Well, now you can adjust the overnight setting of that routine and save even more energy and dollars. Upgrading to the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat is really a no-brainer. Planning of routines, a more comfortable living space, you'll also enjoy the convenience and flexibility of smart home technology. So why wait? Ditch the old thermostat and enjoy smart home technology. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. Have you made the switch to a smart thermostat, and what has been your experience? Don't forget to check out my other videos on smart technology and smart home living. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, be sure to click the image on your screen now.